So I seen something black and then I stopped and I was like, that's not supposed to be like that.
Move the fishing pole because there's the center one we hit. Yeah, we did hit it.
Right next to it.
Yep, we nailed it. Sorry, Joe.
You're not putting your fishing tackle away.
We nicked your fishing pole.
Like a proper fisherman.
Because it was apparently laying right where we drilled the pilot hole in the bed of your truck. Alright, so we got the big old Chevy in here. 2500 High Country. And we're going to be putting a gooseneck in it. This is the same gooseneck that's in my truck. Same gooseneck that is in Wilson's truck. So we're going to go ahead and do this. First thing first, we got to pull all the front bed bolts. Gets us a little bit of separation, which will help for when we put our big slide bars through. And then we'll have to make a little notch somewhere in here for the release. We gotta put the plates on, which go into the factory bolt holes here, here, and there, and there. And then basically bolt everything together. Go ahead and run our pilot hole, drill a hole in the bed. And then that's about it. Tighten everything down, call it a day. So we'll go ahead and start pulling these bolts loose, and I'll check back in with you guys when we go to put the crossbars on, because that's kind of cool, and we'll go from there. Alright, so, Mr. Wilson's here.
Hi.
And we got our bars put in that you can't see at all there. So, let's see. There they are right there. See the one in the back, right up against the rail, and then the other one is right there. So all we did to do that was we just kind of flipped this up a little bit, and we pushed, all we did was flip this up a little bit and push the bars right through. And then we lifted up on the tail, on the bed itself, which we'll give them a little, show them how that, you can see it moves real easy. And then you just flip the bars up where they need to be. So now, we've got the center section, the money section, part that does all the work out. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing set up and ready to go, get all our hardware together. We're gonna bolt this in up top. We gotta make sure we put our centering bracket in for our pilot hole. And then we're gonna get all this in, and then we'll put our side plates on, which are right there. So I'll check in with you guys once we get that set up in the car and bolted in before we put the side plates on. How goes?
I got 3 of the back ones, or the front ones.
Oh, fucking Joe.
He wants to start a garage with that guy.
When did you stop being a bitch?
Shut up! I made burn through your clear on accident. Shut up! Get out of here!
Okay.
Did you get it finally?
How you guys doing?
I got the far one.
It's in.
I'm roasted.
It's warm in there. Alright, so we got the end brackets on. We just gotta go aft with this one a little bit. Yours is looking good. We just gotta go aft a little bit, it looks like. And then we'll be good. So we're gonna go ahead and throw these side bolts in. And then we're gonna tighten everything up. Yeah, go ahead and tap that. Let's see if it...
More?
More. Yeah, good. So we're going to go ahead and throw in all the bolts, tighten everything up, and then we'll drill a pilot hole from the bottom.
And then drill the other 2 or 4
Yeah.
from the other side.
So yeah, we're going to go ahead and sweat our balls off a little bit more and get going. What do you mean? There was GoPro with a ton of shit on the film. How'd that go, bud?
They're not very. They're not
Show
very.
what you were working at.
hot metal shavings on my face.
Oh.
Yeah.
No, that was the Subaru.
Yeah.
Zoop, zoop sideways. So yeah, 2 of those holes are really shitty to do. But we got, so all the holes are drilled now, right?
Yes.
All right, sweet. So,
Packing this guy.
all right, you tighten that last one down, and then we're gonna go ahead and drop the truck down, and I'll show you guys the holes in the bed, and then we'll make some bigger holes.
So I seen something black and then I stopped and I was like, that's not supposed to be like that.
Move the fishing pole, because there's the center one we hit. Yeah, we hit it.
Right next to it.
Yep, we nailed it. Sorry, Joe.
You're not putting your fishing tackle away
We nicked your fishing pole,
like a proper fisherman.
because it was apparently laying right where we drilled the pilot hole in the bed of your truck.
Like you can see the dirt mark where it was sitting.
Bro, look, grab that pack of smokes.
Oh, that's brand new.
Hey, you got a brand new waterlogged pack of cigarettes in your car bed? Well, it's still like $10. All right. You ready to drill something?
I guess so.
Let's drill the big one first, because that's the fun one everyone wants to see.
Good job. Not to hit my fishing pole.
First of all,
A real fisherman puts his tackle away.
yeah, what Wilson said.
What was it say?
A real fisherman puts his tackle away.
Real fisherman keeps his poles in his car. And actually, my expensive one's in the backseat. That was cheap.
Oh, it got nicked a bit.
What, the reel or the pole?
The pole.
Oh, I don't give a fuck. I got rid of there. Drilled the pilot hole, yeah?
Yeah. No, we're just gonna wing it.
Damn, dude, that thing sits real far forward.
Just in front of the. You gotta tighten that a little bit. That's probably good. Yeah, it sits just in front of the axle. You gotta.
Boy,
Yeah. Start now. And just send it. Pull up somewhere. What's up, bud? Alright, be in a little bit. Look at that.
perfect.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to hit that with the file or something in order to get that. Little
Yeah, the ring on
Hey,
it.
I brought I got all that wood for you, man. I didn't know if you needed some wood.
Look at you, nice. Not really. I got a bunch right
I
behind
don't know where half this shit comes from.
you. You have a bed now, so you just throw shit in it, like,
Well,
That's what happens.
and it's bigger.
I mean the
I
cigarettes.
can't. The pack of smokes.
I have no idea. I don't know.
It's brand new. That's
Yeah, they're my emergency pack.
It's. All right, so Wilson got the holes for the hold downs drilled. We got to clean up the holes a little bit and spray a little paint in there so we don't get any corrosion or anything from the bare metal we created, and then we can final assemble and get everything hooked up. So we'll go ahead and get that on there, and we'll check in with you guys once we get it done. All right, so tell me about your favorite part of this whole job, Wilson.
I love putting rubber rings on round holes. That's my favorite part of every job.
We've literally been doing this part longer than, I mean, it has been longer than it took us to actually install it,
Yeah,
to like throw it up underneath the truck.
we're almost there though.
So the bed liner really poses an issue with this, and so what we ended up doing was trimming the bed liner down a little bit and thinning it out, which seemed to help a lot.
Gave it a little angle.
Little angle dangle. We're probably gonna get cut that a little bit. I seem to remember us cutting that before.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
that's
All right,
tight.
now throw that ring in there before it decides to freaking pop out. And I'll grab
Oh yeah, that's tight.
Oh yeah! Alright, so we got it all in. Here, pull on that thing real quickly. Show them the out and locked. Out. It's not locked. I think it's out. There you go.
Oh,
Locked.
finger popped.
And then go ahead and send it. Think. So that's all good. So yeah, it came out nice. We did it way faster than we did the last time.
Last two?
No, well, the last one we had to weld.
Mine we modified.
Because it wasn't made to go the way we wanted to do it.
It was way too far forward. It was like
So yeah, that's how we get a Curt hitch into the back of a Silverado. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing off the lift and get it on the road. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.
Down or anything?
It's not a miracle. I told you it would fit, and I'm always right.
No, it was gonna fit one way or another. However, just driving it up with no problems. That's a miracle.
Yeah, we really should have videoed it because there was a lot of sketch going on with that.
Can I just come straight back?
Yeah,
My mirror gonna hit this one in.
it didn't on the way in. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's really tight.
It looked like I was about to smack my windshield off the middle.
Like really tight. Like really tight. But
Yeah, and most of the way straight into the front act, or a little bit in front of the front tire.
yeah, a little in front, which is where you want it anyhow. And if this is the only weight we have in the trailer on the way back, we'll be fine. But we should probably get this out before it starts to pour here.
Yeah, I was letting you fucking do your videotaping.
Oh, hop on in. Are you smoking? No, you're smoking.
Oh, I'm almost done.
Yeah, if you just come straight back, we'll be fine. And then, like I said, when you'll feel the tires hit this little loop here, and from there you should just be able to plink, roll it right on
You
out.
could be watching, right?
No, I'm gonna go have dinner.
Oh. Oh. I was saying, what? They're staying in there.
Come
I
on
guess
in.
you're kind of stuck here for a while, Joe. No.
This is the best part.
That's why we got a broken
Yeah, you
step.
should have got the 2020 that had the steps in the rear.
Bro, how about the step, what, right here?
Yeah. You're not gonna go in legs first?
Hell no.
That's how you came out.
Seats. Let me get that butt.
Let me get that butt. Mr. Joe, let me get that butt ostrich.
Figure it out later.
There's a thing there.
All right, you're getting ready to come up to the ramp, so don't be scared.
What? Yeah, you're clear. Not by a lot, but you're clear. You're alright. Oh, you're off the trailer.
Going back.
Straight back.
Alright, slow. Go. Be clear. Bro, you got
Windows.
doo-doo in here.
Windows, Joe.
I am. Oh, that one doesn't auto roll.
Like the glove.
That's doo-doo, baby. Shit, right there. Doo-doo. All over it.
I don't know if glove is the right word.
And you know what? Just in time. Deuces, peeps. Here you go, buddy.
Alright, bud.
I'll see.
Yeah, talk about just in time. Hey, can you move that so I can put the trailer back, please?
Oh my god.
I know. So yeah, it fits. That's a major component of this whole disaster that we need to figure out. So now we just gotta move on to the other 7 million things we gotta figure out.